Hello, my dear students. How are you? It's me, your Nushaba teacher. Nice to meet you again. Let's watch a video. This video will help us to compare then and now. Students, as you see from the video, today we're going to speak about the changes of the 21st century. We'll discuss if these changes are positive changes or negative changes. Dear friends, open page 97 in your books. Exercise number 3. Here, we must read the text and say if all 4 children are talking about the positive changes or not. A. I believe that the big change in the 21st century will be economic change. In 30 or 40 years, people will do business better. They'll have better homes and eat healthier food than they do today. More goods will be produced, and so perhaps rich countries will be able to help poorer countries. I believe countries as well as people will be richer in the 21st century. This was Sam's opinion. B. I think that one big change in the 21st century is that people will live longer because of healthier lifestyles and better health care. The average person will probably live to the age of 90 instead of 75 like today. I think doctors will be able to cure diseases such as cancer and AIDS. Mihriban. C. I think that in the 21st century, education and the way we study will change due to the development of technology. More and more people will have access to the internet and will choose to study from home, taking online courses. This is Fidan's opinion. D. Technology is taking control of everything in our lives. I think in the 21st century, people will become physically passive and will have a lot of health problems because they will not have to do anything themselves. All the work will be done by computers or other technological devices. Suleiman. Now, students, let's think a little and say which of these opinions are positive and which are negative. Of course, Sam's, Mihriban's and Fidan's opinions are positive. Suleiman's opinion is negative. Dear friends, let's do true or false task. These sentences are taken from the text. Stop the video Think a little. Choose true or false, then play the video and check up your answers. First, Sam thinks that poor countries will not receive any help from rich countries. This is false. Second, Mehriban thinks that people will have longer lives in the 21st century. True. 3. Mehriban says that doctors can cure AIDS today. False. 4. Fidan says that it will be impossible to get education at home. True. 5. Sleiman believes that people will do more physical work in the future. And this is false. Now, students, let's do the matching task. Here, we must match the words with their definitions. Stop the video, read the definitions, find out the words, then press play and check up your answers. On the internet, it means online, objects produced for eating. Goods, because of something, means due to. A standard that's typical or usual is average. A disease in which its cells increase fast in the body. Cancer, not active, is passive. Now be attentive. I'm explaining used to. Students, we use used to speak about something we did in the past, but don't do now. Example, I used to play football, but now I don't play football. Now I play basketball. The structure of the sentence with used to is subject plus used to plus verb. The structure of the negative sentence with used to is subject plus didn't, that is, did not, plus used to without the, plus verb. Example, I didn't used to play football. The structure of the interrogative sentence with used to is did plus subject plus used to without the plus verb. Example, did I used to play football? This task, students, is about making interrogative and negative forms of the sentences with used to. Example, Anar used to walk in the park. Interrogative form, did Anar used to walk in the park? Negative form, Anar didn't used to walk in the park. Students, stop the video, copy out the sentences and write their interrogative and negative forms. 1. My mother used to cook tasty cakes. 2. People used to wear chadors. 3. I used to drive a car. 4. Eileen used to come early to school. 5. They used to celebrate Nowruz with their friends. And the last task. This task is about filling the Venn diagram. We must read the changes and decide if these changes are positive or negative changes. Or maybe they have two sides, both positive sides and negative sides. Being passive, studying over the internet, eating fast food, better medical care, the development of the technology, eating much, use of mobile phones or computers. Your home task, dear friends, is to write an essay on the changes in the future. Goodbye, dear friends. See you next time.